The rain fell relentlessly as Sarah drove through the winding, desolate roads of the countryside. She had received a letter that morning, a letter from her estranged Aunt Clara, inviting her to visit Hollow Manor, a decrepit mansion tucked away in the heart of the woods.
Do you like this video? Some YouTube channels make money by making videos like this. They tell scary stories. You can also make videos like this and earn money from YouTube. But what if you don't know how to make videos or tell stories? Don't worry, AI can help you. In this video, I will show you how to make scary story videos with AI. But before that, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe if you want to learn earning unique methods with AI. Now let's start. We want to make a video that is interesting. Do you have a story for the video? I cannot write stories, but we know someone who can. Do you know who it is? It is ChatGPT. Google Bard can also help. I asked ChatGPT to write a scary story with a lot of suspense. ChatGPT wrote a good story for us. I think we can use this story for our video. In the next step, I asked ChatGPT to give the visual idea for our video. My prompt is, I have a story for my YouTube video. I will use pictures and voice to tell the story. Please tell me what pictures to use for each part of the story. You can use the same prompt. I will put the prompt in the description box below. ChatGPT creates 10 scenes with image suggestions for better output. I asked ChatGPT for a prompt for every image, and GPT has given a better idea for image generation. But we will generate a more accurate prompt for our image. And to do this, we need to enter a detailed prompt. Here is the prompt template. I will put this prompt template link in the description box. You have to replace the Y with your image suggestion. Here, Yi is the keyword. After that, copy the prompt and paste it in the ChatGPT prompt box. ChatGPT will generate 4 image prompts for you. Now with this prompt, we will generate images with Leonardo AI. After coming to Leonardo AI, select a featured model. I will select Absolute Reality as my featured model. After that, enter the prompt into the prompt box. Before generating images, you have to change the aspect ratio. As we are making a video for YouTube, I will select 6:9 as my aspect ratio. After all is set, hit the Generate button and our images are ready. Download one of them. After that, generate the second image, and in this way, generate images for all scenes. Alright friends, I have generated images for all scenes. You can see the images. Download the images on your device. Okay, our images are ready. Now we will make videos with these images. For creating videos from images, I will use a free tool, Pika Labs. I will put all of the tools in the description box. Coming to the Pika Labs website, click on the Join Beta button. To generate a video with Pika Labs, you need a Discord account. On the next page, click on Accept Invite. It will redirect you to the Pika Labs server. After coming to the Pika Labs server, click on one of the Generate channels. This is one of the video generator channels of Pika Labs. To start creating videos from images, come to the message box and type e/create. Now you will find +1 more after the prompt box. Click on it and select image. Now you have to upload one image. You can drop your image also. After uploading the image, enter a prompt in the prompt box. I am writing just horror. After that, hit the enter button. It will take some time to generate your video. After some time, you will find the video as highlighted. Download the video on your device, then generate a video with your second image. In this way, generate videos with all of your images. Alright, our video is ready. Now we need a voiceover. You can use your own voice, but this time, I will use AI voice. For generating voiceover, I will use Muff AI. Muff AI is a high-quality text-to-speech generator, and it's a premium tool. If you are new to Muff AI, you have to create a new account. After creating an account, create a new project. Now change the voice model. You will find more than 120 voice models in different languages and accents. After selecting the voice model, copy the story from ChatGPT and paste it on Muff AI. Then click on the play button. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to generate the voiceover. While it's completed, export the audio. Alright friends, our video is almost complete. We have the images and the voiceover. Now we need to combine them to create the final video. To edit the video, if you are a mobile user, then you can use CapCut or InShort, but I am PC user, so I will use a video editing software called Filmora. You can download it from their website, import all the images you generated into Filmora, CapCut or InShort video editor, arrange them in the desired order, import the voiceover audio as well. Drag and drop the images onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Adjust the duration of each image to your preference. You can also add transitions between the images to create a smoother flow. Drag and drop the voiceover audio onto a separate audio track in the timeline. Adjust the volume of the audio track to ensure it's balanced with the images and any background music you may want to add. If you want to add background music, import the music file into Video Editor, or you can use inbuilt music in Video Editor like in Filmora or in CapCut. There is lots of inbuilt audios. Download and place it on a separate audio track. Adjust the volume of the music track as needed. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement of the images, voiceover, and music, you can preview the video. Make any necessary adjustments to timing, transitions, or audio levels. When you're ready to export the video, choose the desired output settings, such as the resolution and file format. Then, click on the export button and wait for the software to process the video. Once the export is complete, you'll have a finished horror storytelling video.
The rain fell relentlessly as Sarah drove through the winding, desolate roads of the countryside. She had received a letter that morning, a letter from her estranged Aunt Clara, inviting her to visit Hollow Manor, a decrepit mansion tucked away in the heart of the woods. The letter had been cryptic, promising answers to questions Sarah hadn't thought about in years, questions about her family's dark history. As Sarah approached Hollow Manor, the rain pounded on her car, creating a deafening symphony of dread. The mansion loomed out of the fog, an imposing Gothic structure that had seen better days.
You can upload it to YouTube or any other platform of your choice to start earning passive income. If you don't know how to create YouTube channel and upload video on YouTube, you can watch this video. And if you want to create AI news channel, then watch this video. That's it. You've successfully created a horror storytelling video using AI-generated images and voiceover. Remember to credit the AI tools you used in the video description or credits. Happy video making and good luck with your YouTube channel.